Thanks ladies for watching my live. Hope you've learned a thing or two. I'll hopefully see you the next time that I come live to do a face beat. I like the way it came out. You can see that I've done makeup, but it doesn't look too in your face or anything, but it looks very well done and I'm proud of myself. So the lip shades is the reason why I came to do this makeup look, and I'm glad it came out the way that I wanted it to come. So I used the dark brown lips pencil to outline my lip, and I used this brown shade from, is it Maybelline? Revolution. This is from Revolution, just to, outline the lip. And I used this lime crime brown, light brown, to give it an ombre effect. See? Just giving it an ombre effect, and that's my look. I'm probably going to wear a traditional outfit, take some pictures, and if I don't post it today, I'll hopefully post it on the 6th of March. That's Ghanaian Independence Day. My lip is ombre. I can put clear lip gloss on to make it pop out a bit more, but I like the matte effect. That's my earrings. That's my second earpiece. Like the look. Probably I'll get my hair done during the week, but I can't tell. Anyway, hope you all enjoy your Saturday afternoon, your Sunday afternoon, and I hope you're looking forward to the new week. I might pop out somewhere, but I'm not sure. But let's see how it goes. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.